कुछ दिनों पहले मुझे पता चला कि दुनिया में 100 से ज़्यादा डिफरेंट वियर्ड फोबियाज़ होते हैं। सो आई आस्क्ड ChatGPT टू गिव मी अ लिस्ट ऑफ वियर्ड 100 फोबियाज़। तो एक्चुअली होते हैं वियर्ड फोबियाज़। सो वी हैव अ लिस्ट ऑफ 100 वियर्ड फोबियाज़ according to ChatGPT. Let's see. First is fear of darkness, fear of heights, fear of flying, fear of riding or driving a vehicle, fear of sharp fear of sharp objects like needles, fear of pain, fear of dust, fear of wind, fear of people, fear of people, fear of spiders, fear of thunder, fear of being alone, then fear of gravity, fear of steep slopes, fear of amphibians, fear of books, fear of slime, fear of thunder, fear of ugliness, fear of snow, fear of colors, fear of clowns, fear of computers, fear of dogs, fear of trees, fear of dentists, fear of crossing streets, fear of vomiting, fear of insects, fear of horses, fear of marriage, fear of bridges, fear of dirt, fear of public speaking, fear of blood, fear of sunlight, fear of reptiles, fear of water, hydrophobia, fear of sleep, fear of doctors, fear of fishes, fear of ideas, fear of dizziness or fear of heights, fear of Japanese culture. ChatGPT? What? Fear of failure, fear of empty spaces, fear of cockroaches, fear of stealing, fear of crowds, fear of fear of butterflies, fear of lakes, fear of large objects, fear of bees, fear of microorganisms, fear of mushrooms, fear of ants, not ants, not ants, ants, GT, fear of dead things, fear of change, fear of being without phone. ये जेंजी है, ये जेंजी फोबिया है. Then fear of crowds, fear of wine, fear of snakes, fear of birds, fear of odors, fear of constant anxiety, fear of diseases, fear of children or dolls, fear of swallowing, fear of light, fear of beards, eh? Fear of fire. I had that fear of fire. Pyrophobia, fear of shadows, fear of being stared, fear of moon, fear of food, fear of intense social interaction, fear of mirrors, fear of advanced technology, fear of dying, thanatophobia. Watch this video. Fear of number 13, fear of injections, fear of graves, fear of poison, fear of pregnancy, fear of sky. 99th is fear of beautiful women, fear of animals. That's it. I'm done.